are kicking my butt, and my nose is running like a faucet, and my eyes are super red and very watery, and that is my allergy song. Roxy has allergies too, don't you, baby? Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I want to do a review slash demo of the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. That is right, you guys. I did pick this up at my local Sephora probably about a week ago, I would say. Yeah, I've had it for a little bit, but I did see this, and the first time that I saw it, I was at a different Sephora, and they were sold out completely. And then about a week ago, I was at a different Sephora, and then I found it, and they had the last one. Of course, like pretty much every makeup story that I tell you, I got the last one, but it actually was the last one, so I was super excited. And I clung to it for dear life because I was so afraid that if I set it down, then it was gonna just get taken away from me. So I'm very excited. I want to go ahead and swatch this for you and do a quick little eye look. I have already done my, am I gonna sneeze? Yep. I have already done my base, so my foundation, concealer, powder, everything like that. Went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So guys, if you would like to see a review slash demo of the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, then keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in because we're pretty much going to be zoomed in for the rest of the video. So I have this palette, very, very pretty packaging. I think it's really pretty. It is very summer, so I don't know when this came out. Let me look online. Well, it doesn't actually tell me when it was released, but since it is a very summery color story, I'm going to assume it was released in the summer at some point. So we're going to go ahead and open this baby up here. Now, I will say, I do have one other Violet Voss palette. It's the Rainbow palette, and I will say the packaging on this one is a lot better. The packaging on the Rainbow palette did feel definitely a bit cheaper because it is a more inexpensive palette, but here is what this one looks like. It's so pretty. Again, the colors are very, very vibrant, and this one opens up like a book. Opening it up just like that. Look at that. And then let me go ahead, we'll zoom in just so you can see all of the shades. So starting from the very bottom right, we have this shade here, and then going all the way up. They are gorgeous. And I've never had a palette that flips out like this, like an actual book, so it is a lot different. It does feel quite, it's not like super heavy or anything, but it feels like a more weighted material, like cardboard or and whatever it may be. It's got cute little sandals on the mirror and like a cute little flamingo right down here, so the packaging is very cute. And then these colors though, these colors are stunning, and I do really, really love them. We're going to go ahead and do a few swatches here as well, just to see how they're swatching. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top row here, and we're just going to swatch all of those. I have all 4 shades on the top row on my fingers here, and we're going to go ahead and give them some swatchy swatches. I confused myself. Oh yeah. Those are super pretty. So in order, we have Bikini, Flip Flops, Donut, and Flamingos. So definitely very pretty shades. I do like them a lot. These shimmer shades did seem to go on pretty well, so I am excited about that. Next row, right there. Very, very pretty as well. This oceanfront color does seem the most patchiest out of all the ones we've tried so far because it is so light. So, but it is still very pretty. I do love the colors. And then here are these. Still really pretty. This yellow, the pineapple shade, very pretty, very vibrant on that one. Again, this lemonade shade down here, this matte yellow, not very pigmented. Maybe it'll work better on the eye because I do know, obviously, swatches don't mean diddly squat. It all matters on how they work on the eye. And then last 2 rows, I'm going to do these on the back of my hand here. We have Sand, Island, Coral, and Surf. So these 4 shades right here, this surf shade, that's what it's called. Yeah, I love that one. That's really pretty. And then this orange is really pretty as well. And then lastly, but not least, we have the very last row, and I'm trying to find a spot to put these. So we have our black color, which is called Sunnies, Sandal, Pinwheel, and Seashell. So these do look very promising. This black does look very, very pigmented so far. Oh yeah, that's a very pigmented matte black. That one's really nice. That one's pretty as well. That one is Sandals. And then Pinwheel. Very pretty. And then last but not least, Seashells. That one is very pretty, very, very iridescent, like light on that one. But yeah, that black is good. I like that a lot. So I zoomed you in just a smidgen further, and what I'm gonna do, I've already primed my eyes, and we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take a very fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M518 brush, and we are gonna be using the second row of colors. So this row right here, this blue row, I just think it's really, really pretty. I love blues on the eyes, blues and purples. So we're gonna take that, and then I'm gonna use this watermelon shade in a different way, so I'm very excited. So firstly, let's take the shade Ocean Front as the transition color, the transition shade color, and we're gonna just put that right into the crease. It is a little more of a dusty eyeshadow, but it's not, there's not too much kick up, but there definitely is a little bit. I've seen worse. And just like that, I do think that's really pretty. And then next, what we're gonna do, this is gonna be a very simple eye look. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Beach Ball, which is this really, really pretty greenish, like teal shade right there. And then we are going to deepen up the outer corner. We're going to take that and put it on the very outer corner of the eye right here, and then just swirl that around, deepen it up, and kind of mix it in with the crease as well. So I think that's where I'm going to leave it. We did darken it up on the outer corner, and then we also went into the crease a little bit just to deepen that up a bit. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the shade Tidal Wave right down here, and that is going to be packed all over the lid. I'm going to use my finger for this. I'm sure you could use a brush, but I am going to use my finger, and that's very pretty, very opaque. And I lied, I'm actually going to take a brush and not wet it. I'm just going to dip it in really quickly and just make sure that I get in the whole corner. And there we go. That's pretty much it for the top part of the eye. So just like that, very pretty and blue. So next, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this watermelon color, this really pretty pink right down here, because if you've seen Wicked, pink goes good with green. I am going to take a Morphe M506 brush, dip it into this watermelon shade, and we are going to pop that right down here in the waterline, not waterline, but the lower lash line, that's the word. Just like that, you guys, and we're looking like a watermelon. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera really quick, put my liner, lashes, lips on, all that good stuff, and I will come right back. Alright everyone, I am back. I did go ahead and put on my liner, my lashes, my lips, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit just so we can get a full once over of the look. So starting with the lips here, this is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Echo Park. I do think that it went a little better with the eyes because the eyes are very bright and colorful. So moving down to the eyes, I do really love the blue-green sea foam kind of moment that we have going on, and the pink on the lower lash line. I always want to say waterline, but it's not. I just think it's very pretty. I think it gives a little pop of color. Well, the whole thing is color, but I do think those two colors do go together. So yeah, I like it. I think it's a very pretty beachy look. I do think that we have a tiny bit longer before summer ends, so I'm kind of holding on to that, but I am still really excited for fall. But yeah, that is the look. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.